Hello student, today we are studying the chapter alcohol, phenol and ether and ether. So alcohols we know that which contain OH group are called as alcohol as a functional group which contain alcohol groups. So alcohols are the derivatives of water, the derivatives of water in which H of water is replaced. We know that water is H2O. One of the H is replaced by a alkyl or aryl group. In short terms, we can say that R group. R can be CH3, C2H5. So by alkyl and aryl groups. So students, now we come to the classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols. So, as we know that alcohols are compounds which contain OH group as the functional group. So, on the basis of number of OH group, alcohols in a broad sense is divided into three main categories. First, we can say monohydric alcohol. Second is dihydric alcohol, and third is trihydric alcohol. So, I have said that monohydric alcohols are those which contain at least one OH group per molecule. In one molecule of alcohol, it contains one OH group. Second, come to dihydric alcohols. As the word says di, so di means two. So the alcohols which contain two OH group, the alcohol which contains two OH group per molecule are said to be dihydric alcohols. For example, you have studied that ethylene glycol CH2OH bond CH2OH. Third, we come to trihydric alcohol, which contain three OH group. As you know, the example that is glycerol. Glycerol is a compound of alcohol which contain three OH group. Then now come to monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol are further divided into three parts. Are further classified into three parts. First, we can say that first is primary alcohol. First is primary alcohol, also called as 1 degree alcohol. Second, we can say it is secondary alcohol, also called as 2 degree alcohol. Third is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol, also called as 3 degree alcohol. Primary alcohol, for example, CH3OH or C2H5OH. Secondary alcohol, CH3 bond CH नीचे OH bond CH3. The OH is joined to that carbon atom which is attached to two carbon atoms. Tertiary alcohol, that is CH3 bond CH3 bond CH3 bond OH. So it is tertiary alcohol, that is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Next come to journal method of preparation. Journal method of preparation. Student, we know that alcohols can be prepared by many methods, but some are here. For example, by oxidation of alkanes. By oxidation of alkanes. We know that whenever alkanes are oxidized, In presence of acidified potassium dichromate, it forms alcohol. So here methane is oxidized in presence of K2Cr2O7. It forms methanol, that is CH3OH plus H2O. Second, ethane C2H6 on oxidation. In presence of similar condition, in presence of K2Cr2O7, it forms ethanol, that is C2H5OH plus it release water molecule. Second, we come to preparation of alcohol by hydrolysis of alkenes, that is by alkenes. So whenever alkenes are hydrolyzed with water under acidic condition, forms alcohol. For example, ethene, that is CH2 double bond CH2 is reacted with water H2O under acidic condition, forms CH3 bond CH2 bond OH, ethanol. Thank you.